Hi, Blake with BlvdHome, and in this video, we're going to talk about when to fix something yourself or when to call a repairman. The short answer is, if you don't know what you're doing, call a repairman, because none of us ever want you to get hurt or damage the appliance or anything like that. So I'm going to say that right up front, because a lot of it depends on your skill set. Everybody is skilled in certain things. I've got friends that are accountants. I've got friends that are doctors. I have friends that are a lot of different trades, and I would never try in the world to try to be an accountant or a doctor or a roofer or a brick mason. I can't do it. My skill set is repairing appliances, and I've had that from a young age. And so if you are skilled and you have hands-on experience with tools and you do that type of work, appliances aren't extremely difficult. I mean, there are some difficult aspects to it that I want to make sure that you understand. There are difficult aspects, but a lot of it is knowing how to properly tear apart and how to properly diagnose it and also put it back together and do the least damage that you possibly can when removing it or putting it back together. But simple things that you can do, drawers being broken, shelves being broken, lint filters being broken, dishwashers not washing very well. Check the filters, you can clean the filters. Your washer isn't draining. If you have a clean out, check the clean outs. Cleaning your coils on your refrigerator. These are things that they're not necessarily repairing them, but there's stuff that you can easily do yourself. When you start having to take tools to take things apart, if you're handy at this stuff, then I would recommend to at least try it. There are a lot of great YouTube videos out there, probably not as good as mine, but there are some good ones out there that people give you good information. There are some videos out there that they give you horrible information, and I mean horrible information. Talk to people that are trained and people that can help you. Now, a lot of times, servicers such as myself, we don't give out that information on YouTube because there's a liability aspect. If you are handy, you could definitely do the basic stuff, but I would probably leave the more difficult things or the things that are odd, especially with all the computers on this stuff nowadays. You get into Miele, you get into Thermador with a gazillion wires, and I love Thermador, but you do have a gazillion wires in your stuff, I hate to tell you. It can get extremely complicated, extremely fast. The best thing to do, and I mean this honestly, and check your using care manual. Most using care manuals have a troubleshooting guide in there. So in that troubleshooting guide, it will give you information in there of things you can check yourself, and that's the safe way to check. And I always check those things before you call a servicer, but again, just go through that checklist, and just check this stuff. It's easy to do. Other than that, the best thing to do is call a servicer and let them come out and take a look at it for you. If you went through this checklist, you're not comfortable with it, have them come out and take a look at it. But we have lots of other videos for you to watch, so please like and subscribe, and you can check out all these other videos, and we'll find out lots of interesting stuff you may or may not want to know, but at least you'll have that information, and information is power. So thanks for watching.